The shikra is a rather small bird of prey belonging to the family of the mighty hawks. At a height of just about 30 centimeters, it is not much larger than a pigeon. This, however, is no indicator to what it is capable of doing. Its name is derived from the Hindi word shikari, meaning hunter, as this bird was often tamed and used by hunters during hunts. It even managed to astonish British colonizers with its adaptive abilities and hunting efficiency. Like most other birds of prey, they too spend most of their time grooming and keeping themselves clean, while still on the lookout for potential prey. With their extremely sensitive hearing and acute eyesight, prey seldom go unnoticed. They do not, however, pounce on every opportunity they get. A garden lizard basking in the morning sun is a sitting duck and no big deal for the shikra's supreme abilities. The shikra, though, seems to be indifferent and makes no move to grab it. And as for the prey, he makes a narrow escape, living to die another day. Like most other predators, they too hunt only when necessary and let go even the simplest of opportunities if not hungry. While on the lookout for prey, the shikra also keeps an eye out for any possible threat. Preserving all of its energy for the hunt, it does not indulge in any unnecessary activities such as conflicts or quarrels. Because if it fights half-heartedly, there is a high risk of a fatal injury. Hence, at the first sign of threat, it chooses to flee. Like many other birds, they too are often seen standing on just one leg. They do this to preserve precious body heat. Their feet, being the only unfeathered part of the body, are most prone to heat loss, and hence, by standing on just one foot, they cut down on heat loss by almost 50%. This bird's abilities shouldn't be underestimated, seeing its size and looks. It is quick, silent, and deadly. With a hunting success rate of about 1 out of 3 attempts, 33%, it is incredibly efficient as compared to a tiger's mere 5%. And it can switch from a lazy grooming mode to a lethal hunting mode within an instant. It feeds on small rodents and reptiles like rats, squirrels, lizards, and even small birds. A pointed beak and razor-sharp talons spare nothing. A squirrel, unaware of the danger, treads along. The Shikra high up in the tree is instantly alert. He looks around to make sure his cover isn't blown. The squirrel, still heedless of the situation, he checks one last time to be completely sure. And the Shikra launches, diving down with speed without a sound. And as for the squirrel, it's as good as dead as the silence of death approaches it. Alarming screeches go off. A little too late though. It's all over already. The story doesn't end here though. The scavenger crows come into the scene, hoping to get a fair share. The Shikra too doesn't give up so easily. It stares them down, fanning out its wings to show aggression and to protect its kill. The crows soon realize the fire that they are playing with and back off without further trouble. As the skillful bags in yet another kill, he rules on, and urban wildlife thrives on. This is the world of the Shikra.